5, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Remote wars. Leave my lights on.
The lone bulb.
Hello everybody. Welcome back to E3 3D.
Where we make mistakes so you don't have to.
And today's episode is brought to you by...
Christmas Light Fight. Just kidding. We're not sponsored.
No. But 80 hours of printing.
And I'm Sierra.
And I'm Mike.
Just so you know.
In today's episode, we're going to show you all of this, like she said. So, these are all 3D printed designs that somehow I got managed to work. Designed this in Fusion.
Yep, 360 Fusion.
Used this in Fusion, built this,
Yes.
Designed this in Fusion 360. Super thick. I tried to hollow it out on the inside so it would work, but it's not too bad. So see, it does work. You can print these in multiple colors if you want, or you can just buy lights that change colors and you don't have to worry about that. And then once I printed it out, I realized that this took 17 hours to print and I don't have the patience for that or the filament for that. So we moved on and printed these. I printed this with 0% infill, had to split it a couple times. There is a little bitty
Base.
yeah, right in here. This is a one print with 0 supports. So this right here, you will get a little stringing right in here, but nothing to worry about with that because it really doesn't matter. And then
He's really good at this.
so I got 2 different sizes here. We decided to shrink the size a little bit. As you can tell, a little bit of difference there. Use less filament, still takes like 5 hours to print this little piece right here. However, these lights, which you can find the description and where to buy these lights in the description below. But basically, take your lights, shove them in there really well. You screw in your bulb, but then I can't push the button, so I got to turn them on. Good news is,
It
comes with the remote. That's bright.
Ow.
So it comes with the remote. As you can see, all of these are interchangeable. Doesn't matter, they're all the same threads. And the cool thing about this
is that after he made that one, he made 2 other designs.
Yep. And now the light bulb is locked in there. It's not going to fall out, or well, the LED puck is what they call it. It's locked in there. It's not going to fall out. Have nothing to worry about. So, oh, that was bright. Off. Off.
All on. They're all on. We're good.
You can find the link below. You can find the link below to where these are posted. You can purchase these for under $3 with the link below. And then you can also, we also have one that won't have a hook on it. So if you just want to set it down so it's not leaning, or unless you like your balls to roll. These lights are brought to you by my wife won't stop complaining until she gets them. So here they are.
Yay!
So if you like some of these lights and you want them, head out, get you some of them, print them, have fun with them. So if you like this video, shut up. Wait, I think my team scored. Okay, if you like this video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, comment, go to the about or to the description and click on our links. We got a couple links there. We've got a Patreon link there. We've got a
social media links,
which it narrows all the ones I was going to detail out. Yes, so Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, TikTok, and there's also one called Tip Jar. So you can go there if you don't like to go to Patreon and subscribe monthly with money. That's fine. You can go to the tip jar, leave us a tip. That'll help us buy more filament so my wife can have even more lights.
and we can give those designs to you guys.
Yay!
Yay!
Merry Christmas. Cheers.